Good morning, Chuck and Soy Mafia here in the kitchen, in the Thai kitchen in Thap Phnom. Today we're gonna make manaew. Manaew. We went to the market, the Talat Sot, the fresh market this morning, and we bought all the stuff to make manaew.
เอาพริกแน่9 บาทยังลืมคือกระเทียมจะลบกระเทียมบ่มีแหละแกแล้วมะนาวอันนี้น่ะโลเท่าไหร่มะนาวเป็น60ค่ะเอาพริก9 บาท
And it's going to be for ahan yen for dinner tonight. So we just bought everything this morning and we're waiting for some guests to arrive. Today's actually Christmas Eve in Thailand. So we're inside the fresh market here with friends getting some food for tonight. I'm making pizza tonight. Noi Pizza are coming over and they've requested pizza and garlic bread. Something I cannot eat right now, but I'm happy to make it for them. But we're getting ready to prepare some food for dinner, or I should say mafia. And she's gonna make one of my favorite manaew, which is a sour pork for tonight. Stay tuned for an awesome Thai recipe of manaew. Manaew is a sour pork. Yeah, that's what's cooking today. Mama's in here preparing the ingredients for the manaew. And this is pat kun chai. It's a Chinese celery. This is a Chinese broccoli, and that's the pork. Okay, this is the sauce that Mama made already. I told you I've got to be fast in the kitchen because she's like, bam, bam, bam. She's like, no, I'm just preparing the ingredients. I said, that's the most important part. So what she did was she took this and put it in the blender and mixed it all up. It's just red and green Thai chili peppers. Of course, that's a lot of garlic. Some freshly squeezed lime. How many lime? Manaew. Samlok means there was 3 limes squeezed in here. A little bit of salt, water, and there's 1 big spoon here of fish sauce and 1 big spoon of sugar. 3 limes. How many chili pepper?
I don't know, 1 bag.
A lot of chili pepper.
So you put chili pepper, garlic, and cilantro. And put on the blender.
How many cloves of garlic do you think?
I don't know. She's in the bag. 1 bag that she bought this morning.
It's maybe like a cup of garlic and a cup of chili peppers, red and green chili peppers. So she's been marinating this for about an hour in a bottle of club soda to make it tender. Okay, Chiêmได้ไหม
พริกนะชิมน้อยมันเลยเผ็ดแต่จะชิมพริกนะบอกไป
I said, can I try one? She's like, a chili pepper? สีเขียวแตกฟ้า
สีเขียวไม่เผ็ดสีแดงไม่เผ็ดชิมเลยเห็นไหมสีแดงมันเผ็ดยังไม่ไหวอยู่สีเขียวน่ะไม่เผ็ด
She said the green one's not spicy.
เผ็ดไหมนิดหน่อยไม่ต้องกัน
They're both spicy. อร่อยมาก
It's different Thai actually.
Is that just water? น้ำ
ลวก
Just some water boiling.
เอานี่ลง
And she's marinating
ให้มันเดือด
that
ก่อน
sai nom.
ใส่นม
She put a little bit of milk in there
แช่นมจะได้นุ่มกว่านี้
to make it more tender.
ให้มันเดือดก่อนใส่เข้าไปเลยคน
My pizzas are
เดี๋ยวลูกจะชมนี่ของแม่นะ
looking good, huh?
ที่พี่ชักทำให้มา
Okay, we got a full kitchen.
อยากปล่อยเอา
We
เล่น
just got some samo too, which is a what do you call that in English? Pomelon. I'm forgetting my English. Pomelon.
ดูหนังเมื่อมันง่ายทุกเผ็ด
It's kind of like a grapefruit, but sweeter.
นี่ตัวใหญ่ทุเรศ
There's always way too much going on in the kitchen in the mafia house.
มันหนามันใหญ่ไป
Gotta make sure it's in good sized pieces to eat. In goes the sauce. One of my most favorite things to do in the kitchen is the tasting.
จานมา
Everything is to taste.
เรียงผัก
It's
ทำ
a
ไป
big
ก่อน
piece there.
ทำไม จืดไหม
Hello, hello. My jut.
บอกเอา
Jut means a plane. And in goes the Chinese
กระหลำ
broccoli.
กระหลำโอ้อันนี้
And she actually put the Chinese broccoli stalks in a cooler. She put them in the refrigerator, right, to make them a little crispy.
Alloy กรอบนี่
Gulp,
กร
gulp.
อบมาก
Gulp means crunchy. Gulp, gulp. Of course, Thai food is all about appearance too, so it has to look good. I just wiped chili pepper in my eyeball.
อ้าว
เสียบตา
That's it. Look at that.
อร่อย
อร่อย
I was like, okay, we gotta make our cover picture. She's like, hurry up. Holding the pen. I said, okay. She's not in reach of her knife, so.
ไปเรียบร้อย
Okay, that's it. Now it's time to eat manaew. It's not for delivery, but they asked for it at Papa Chuck's Pizza. Okay, this is actually Christmas Eve here in the Mafia house. We've got family, friends, and a nice meal. Made everybody a pizza. It's a bad time to have a diet. I don't know why I started a diet during the holidays. You're supposed to do that after the holidays. Anyway, let's try the manaew and see how it tastes. Let me try to get a little bit of everything on here. Get what? Let's try to get a lot of everything on here. And we're gonna have a hash brown.
หมดคุณก้าเจอไป
That's really good. My pizza turned out pretty good. We'll make a video on that later.
ไม่อร่อยนะ
I hope you guys liked today's No Time to Be Hungry video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, or at least Thai Mafia, Chef Mafia. We'll see you on the next cooking video with the Mafia. Bye. อร่อยครับ
สวัสดีครับ